Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy. First, gather your cotton candy machine, floss sugar, and paper cones. Find a stable, clean surface, ideally outdoors or in a well-ventilated space. Plug in your machine and let it preheat for about 5 to 10 minutes. This ensures the heating element is ready to melt the sugar efficiently. Once your machine is preheated, carefully pour 1 scoop of floss sugar directly into the center of the spinner head. Avoid overfilling to prevent clogging. As the sugar melts, you'll see delicate, sugary strands begin to emerge. Hold a paper cone horizontally, just above the spinner, and gently rotate it to collect the fluffy cotton candy. Keep rotating your cone, winding the cotton candy around it in a continuous circular motion. Move the cone slightly up and down to ensure you catch all the fine sugar strands as they emerge. Once you've reached your desired size, turn off the machine. Serve your fresh, fluffy treat immediately, or store it in an airtight bag for later enjoyment. After enjoying your delicious cotton candy, ensure the machine cools down completely before you start cleaning. Disassemble the parts and wash the spinner head and bowl with warm, soapy water. This keeps your machine ready for the next sweet occasion, perhaps for a garden party or an outdoor treat. For more ways to cultivate a sweet life, check out the description below for a link to a great book and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.